a quick summary of the Active Retrieval Augmented Generation paper from October 2023. So this is the time of recording. This is a 2-year-old paper, but it's worth looking through quickly because it's got some great ideas in it. So to contrast, what they're trying to do here is improve the results of a retrieval augmented generation output by making the model aware of the quality of each sentence it produces, right? So in the example they give here is the input task is generate a summary about Joe Biden. There's a retrieval lookup and you get the first set of search result documents. It generates a block of text. It evaluates whether there's any low probability tokens inside that block of text. If there isn't, it proceeds forwards. And then it sort of uses, it then sort of, when it gets to retrieving the next sentence, it finds some low probability tokens, and that triggers, it uses that generated sentence as well as the previous contents to do a lookup, ideally matching relevant documents that maybe have the right facts in it, and then those new documents are used to generate the next sentence, right? So it's forward looking in that it's generating a new sentence, finding whether it has reliable looking data in it, judged by the probability of the tokens, and then determining whether to use that sentence or retrieve new documents and generate more. So simple idea, you're only retrieving new documents when you have sort of lower confidence in the output of your model. And they did a quick evaluation of this. If I scroll down against a number of other methods using several open source data sets, takes me a while to get to it. Here it is. So 5 different open source tasks against 3 benchmarks. So no a simple sort of, there's no retrieval at all. You just sort of generate a response. There's a single time retrieval, which is standard RAG, basically retrieve documents and generate your output. And then a retrieval that's continuously generating new documents, but it's only using the previous window. It's not doing this forward looking component where it's trying to generate an answer and then generating new retrieving new documents based on that. And what you see is fairly consistent, although sometimes marginal, but consistent improvement across all these tasks. So that's a pretty strong indication that this is a reasonable way to improve the performance of your RAG application, although there's the added cost of sometimes additional steps of both generation and retrieval above standard RAG. Awesome. Thank you.